Good morning. We are once again on location here at the Imagination Station. I have Carl here. Don't want to waste any time, but I'm getting a little nervous. Not only do you have out the safety glasses, I know what this means.
Yep, get those on.
But we got fire yet again.
Yes.
All right, what are we doing?
We're going to talk a little rocket science, right? That's kind of like the science joke. It's not rocket science,
Sure.
but today we are going to do a little rocket science.
All right.
I've got with me some 200 proof alcohol.
Wow.
Okay, so this is like straight.
Can't buy that at the drugstore?
Ethyl alcohol. No.
Okay.
And I'm just going to put a little bit on a tray here and have you go ahead and light that on fire using your lighter.
Oh, all right. How far back should I stand?
Just right there should be fine. Go ahead and light that. Just bring the flame next to it.
Okay.
Go ahead and touch it. It'll be fine. There you go.
Oh, wow.
And the point here is that it's somewhat hard to see. I mean, the flame's on top because we've got a lot there. They're pretty easy to see. But I want you to be aware of the fact that we're working with flammable liquids, and it could be difficult to see the flames at some time. Okay. So we're just going to kind of push this off to the side. We're not going to use that. That'll
Let's not push it towards me.
Just be a decoration off to the side.
Okay.
We're going to work with 2-liter bottles.
All right.
And what I want you to do is add a little of this ethyl alcohol through the funnel.
All right. Just tell me when a little is a little.
Just go ahead and pour a good amount in. That's pretty good.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Because what we're going to do now is just actually, I'll put this over here next to you.
Okay.
We're going to cap it, and we're going to shake that alcohol around inside the bottle.
And that's going to create fumes, right? Because I'm smelling it already. It's strong.
Definitely, you can. And we don't want to light the liquid on fire inside the bottle because the bottle is just going to melt.
Okay.
It's not going to be very exciting.
All right.
What we really want are just the vapors. And so, in fact, I'm going to take that alcohol you added, pour it out.
Okay.
You're only going to ignite the vapors. I'm going to put a couple little caps down here to stabilize our bottle.
My heart is beating really fast.
Oh, no, it's okay. This is kind of fun. What we're going to do is see how this behaves like a rocket.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to take this alcohol and this alcohol away.
All right.
All I want you to do is bring the lighter to the end of the bottle and let's just see what happens.
Okay.
Bring it right in there. You're okay. You're okay. Bring it right in. Touch right to the end. It's okay. Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
So we got, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got about like, I don't know, 15 feet or so launch there.
Yeah,
and
that's never good enough for you, is it? No.
Because we can always do better, I think. We can, and here, load this one up with some alcohol as well.
Okay.
Use the funnel.
All right, I'm sweating.
And
all right.
pour in like you did before. And this time, instead of using just the opening of the bottle, that's perfect.
Okay.
Instead of just using the opening of the bottle, we're actually going to use a cap that has a tiny hole in the end, right there. So a tiny hole in the end of the cap.
Sure.
That's going to constrain how the gases come out the back.
So as opposed to coming out very wide, it's going to come out in a skinnier, maybe stronger stream.
Yes.
That's my guess. That's my hypothesis of sorts.
Excellent, excellent.
Okay.
So what's happening here is the alcohol is igniting, it's combusting, it's heating up the gas inside. That gas is expanding, rushing out the back of the bottle. It's Newton's third law of motion and action. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Whew, okay.
If we can increase that action by constraining the gas coming out with a smaller nozzle, we should be able to get this 2-liter bottle to travel a much more significant distance.
All right, of course we are at the Imagination Station. Everything's safe. We're running out of time here, Carl, so I need to do this one fast.
I'm gonna take my alcohol away. Go ahead and light the end. Let's see how far it goes. Just bring it right up. Keep going, you're okay. Yeah.
Wow. That I felt the heat on my hand a little bit that time.
It took off a lot faster.
Yeah,
and it went quite a bit further. We got people holding back visitors so they don't get hit by the launched.
Oh my goodness. Well, you know
bottle.
what? It is safe down here, but I'll tell you what, I feel like we learned a lot in a short period of time. Not only we were talking about Newton's laws, we were also talking about how to figure out, you know, what changes you can make.
Absolutely, yeah.
To change
going from the large to the small, increases the pressure, increases the force, rocket goes faster. Lots of cool science.
All right, and we're both still here, so this is good. We'll see you next week on Imagine It. And just a reminder, if you come down to the Imagination Station at One Discovery Way, you can see all of these cool experiments. They have scientists doing stuff like this every single day. And just a reminder, it is Saturday. That means Lucas County residents that are 12 and under get in free with a paid adult. Thanks, Carl.
Sure, thanks.